everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you guys, it is a Walgreens ad preview for May 17th through May 23rd. It's actually been an okay week, not a huge like moneymaker or freebies or anything, but there is some low out-of-pocket deals that are coming up. I feel like everybody's starting to go couponing again, so I do want to try to share with you guys as many deals as I can. I want to start getting back to couponing again, but I still might wait until the end of the month, but I'm definitely going to be doing Walgreens hauls for you guys. So as you guys see, they do have Red Nose Day, but they're not doing a lot of stuff like they've done in the past, just because with everything going on. I heard my husband told me that they're not going to be selling noses this year, which is kind of sad, but you know, if that's the way it's going to happen, it's going to happen. So as you guys see on the front page, there is quite a few different deals. I thought this was gonna. So here we got, you know, the Scott's towels, paper towels, toilet paper, and Kleenexes. They're usually $5. They're always $5. But then there's a $1.25 coupon in the Walgreens booklet, making them $3.75. I don't know if we have any inserts coming. I didn't look at any of the inserts that are coming out this week. But usually you can get 50-cent coupon printables, so you guys could get those for $3.25. Have fun trying to find them. My store is still completely sold out of a lot of that stuff. That's why I'm glad I have a stockpile of things. Snuggle and All is going to be $2.99 with a $1 off coupon in the Sunday's paper or a digital coupon, making them $1.99. We do have chips for $1.88. Awesome, awesome, awesome deal, you guys. That's the best time to buy chips if you guys, you know, are having some kind of party at your house by yourselves. Great place to have chips, $1.88. Now they also have soda, or pop is what I call it. They have the 7-Up products, A&W, Dr. Pepper, Canada Dry. Those are 3 for $7.99. That is the best price you guys will ever get that brand. So if you guys need to get soda, that's the best price. That basically comes up to be just $2.66 a piece. Great deal for Walgreens. Now they do have, in the small print, they do have the 10 times everyday points. So you guys will get, when you spend $20, so you guys will basically get 100 points for every dollar you spend. Sometimes you still can pay with points and get those, as from what I've noticed in the past. They do have Coke products and Pepsi products, 3 for $10.99. I feel like those prices are going up because of everything that's going on, but they come out to be just $3.66 a piece. So if you guys need to get some of that, go for it. Usually you can get those down to $9.99, sometimes $8.99. You just gotta wait for it. But it's up to you guys if you guys need some soda or pop. They pretty much shut down summer in my area. The pools are going to be closed. You know, I don't even know what we're in for. But if you guys do need some suntan lotion for being outside, they got it for buy one, get one 50% off. There may be some Ibotta deals. And then it looks like there's going to be an online coupon. Sorry about my kid. He just likes to annoy me while I'm doing a video. Okay, next page here. This is actually the last page. Now they do have Crest or Oral-B Care, 2 for $8, and then you guys get a $2 register reward when you buy 2. Most likely there's going to be a digital coupon for that, because I would not spend $3 a piece for toothpaste. Are you nuts? $3? No way, Jose. So yeah. They got whole blends, $3.99. It looks like there's going to be a $2 off online coupon, making them $1.99. Okay deal. I usually say go for $1. Kellogg cereal is $1.99 with a 50-cent off coupon, making it $1.49. They do have diapers, Easy Ups and Pampers for $8.99 on sale. Now there are some printable coupons. I'm not sure about digital coupons, but there are some printable coupons that you can print like $1 off here or there. So if you guys can print them off, you guys would basically get them for $35.96. But if you can print off like 4 $1 off coupons, it would come out to be $31.96. You'll get 10,000 points when you buy 4. So this is a deal where you guys can also pay with points. So it technically comes to be $21.96. Comes out to be just $5.49 a piece. So if you guys really need diapers, go for it. If you guys need, you know, there's times where you guys really need diapers, you know, go for it for that. Candy bars, 88 cents. Woo woo! If you guys have a hankering for some candy. Now here they got some food. They got crackers and some cookies for $1.99. Oreos, $2.99. Oh yeah, I've been craving Oreos lately. Just because, you know, you can't get everything when you go out to the store, so then all of a sudden you start craving stuff. But they do have some other things here and there in case you guys need some. If you want a picnic with yourself, go for it. But yeah, they got ground beef, $2.99. Hot dogs, buy one, get one free. When you guys buy a lot of some of these items, make sure you guys check the dates on them. I mean, right now a lot of food deals are going off the shelf. But in the past, just make sure you check the dates on them. I'm a date checker anytime I buy stuff. I always grab from the back just because that's just how I shop. Now they do have some other candy bars, $3 or $4. That comes out to be like $1.33 a piece for the king size if you guys need that. Twizzlers, M&M's, Pringles, 4 for $5 plus $8 off, so you get them for $1 a piece. 4 for $4. That's actually an okay deal. I might actually do that because my son loves Pringles, and for $1 for a can, that is a great deal. They do have the Bud Light Seltzer and then the Spiked Seltzer for $3.99, and then you get an $8 mail-in rebate. I'm going to definitely check and see if there's an Ibotta deal for that. But that might be a regional item. I've found out in the past that some of these alcohol deals are regional items. Okay, the next item we have are, they got some Godiva, 2 for $8. There might be an Ibotta deal, perhaps, maybe, I'm not sure. There have been some really good chocolate Ibotta deals if you guys need that. Sorry, I just turned my thing on. And then we got Renews-Its. Those are 89 cents. They're going to be, we're supposed to be getting an online coupon or a coupon in the Sunday's paper for buy 4, get 2 free. So basically they come out to be $3.56 or just 59 cents a piece if you guys need to do that. The nice bags are buy 1, get 2 free. They're always, the sale goes on literally every other week. I just found more baggies that I have that I didn't know about, so I'm starting to put them all out so I know what I have. But they are $2.79. Again, you guys get them for 93 cents a piece. That includes just the baggies. It doesn't say anything about the garbage bags, just the baggies. Now, here is a deal that you guys definitely want to do if you have Persil coupons or if you have that Persil digital. This is a great deal. I'm definitely going to do this deal. Thank you. I think it was Jessica who sent me some coupons. I'm sorry, I can't remember your name. I have it on my island right now. But if you guys have these coupons, definitely do this deal. So they're $4.99. We do have some $2 off coupons that do expire that Sunday. So if you guys want to do this deal, go for it. But they come out to be just $2.99. But then you get 2,000 points for everyone you buy. Comes out to be just 99 cents, you guys. What? Persil, 99 cents? Oh yeah, I love Persil. I have a lot of Persil, but I still love to stock up. That is one item I will never share. I don't like giving it away. I don't like, even if my relatives want it, I'm like, nope, that is mine. Here we got aluminum foil and paper plates. There's a limit of 3. They come out to be just 99 cents with an in-store coupon. You can either clip that to your card or have them scan the ad. So if you guys do need some, you know, items, go for it. Those paper plates are not that bad. I'm used to using those like crazy back in the day before I started couponing to get some nice stuff, so if you guys need that. Now there, I got some Memorial Day buys. I don't even know what to tell you what we're in for Memorial Day. They canceled everything for us in this era. We usually go someplace and they just canceled it, so we'll see, but the bunch of balloons are 25% off. We love those. I'm definitely having tons of water balloon fights this summer in my yard, you guys. But they do have 7th generation dish soap if you guys need some, 2 for $5. That comes out to be $2.50. There may be some coupons out there. If you need a grad gift, you know, cheer up some graduation. Cheer up some graduates that might want some of that stuff. Go for it. Photos, 12 cents a piece if you guys need to give some gifts. Now here we got a deal that may or may not be a hot deal, but if you guys want to gain some points and this counts for beauty, definitely do the Wet n Wild deal. And now it says Wet n Wild Cosmetics. I am not sure if the brushes are included, but they do have some stuff online for like eyeshadows. I think the lipsticks might be a little bit more, but the nail polishes are 99 cents. But those are going to be 30% off. So if they're 99 cents and they're 30% off, they basically come out to be just 69 cents. You guys will get 1,000 points for every 2 that you buy. Comes out to be $1.38. You get 1,000 points, 38 cents. So if you guys need to get some stuff for beauty points, go for it. Almay and Revlon, you get $5 register reward when you buy 2. I am not sure if there's any coupons or anything going to be out there. Now here's the deal if you guys really want this, but Olay, I actually have a few digital coupons to use, but if it's all buy one get one 50% off, and then when you guys spend $100, you get a $30 mail-in rebate. Crazy, crazy. They do have some Dove. If you buy 4, you get 4,000 points. I just got some digital ones attached to me, to my account, so if you guys need to go ahead and do that. But they got the Schick. If you spend $20, you get 5,000 points, so there might be some deals with that. Garnier Fructis is 2 for $7. We are getting a 3 off of 2 coupon, plus they're going to be always a digital coupon. So you guys can get those, plus the $1 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. They basically will come to $1 a piece. Yes. Okay. Gillette razors. It's going to be $7.99. There's a 3 off coupon. Makes it $4.99. And then you guys get a $3 register reward when you buy 2. There might be some regular coupons in the P&G if they did not expire that you could use. Now here is something called King C Gillette. Now it says if you spend $20 or more, you get 10,000 points. I don't know if there's any coupons out or for any of that product, but in case you guys need to go for it, go for it. Here we got Colgate. Now they're going to be $2.99, and there's going to be 50% off coupons that we're getting in this Sunday's paper. There's also probably going to be a digital coupon. So you guys want to use 2 50% off coupons. You would pay $5 or $4.98. But then you guys will get a $4 register reward, making them just 98 cents or 49 cents a piece. If you guys need to do that, I always say try to get toothpaste as free as possible. But you know what? If some people need this stuff, that's definitely a good deal. Okay, now we're here to do the allergy stuff. It's allergy season, but I haven't heard very many people having a lot of allergy stuff because of everything going on. Everybody's stuck inside. And the weather's been kind of crappy here and there. But they do have some allergy stuff on sale. Playtex is buy one, get one 50% off. There's going to be a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. And then if you spend $15 or more, you get a $3 register reward. If you guys need to stock up on those. And then this is the last page of pretty much the Walgreens ad. So there is some decent deals. Enough to share with you guys on that. But just wanted to share with you guys. I hope you guys have a nice shopping week. And I will see you guys all on Sunday. See you later. Bye-bye.